Welcome students. Hope all of you are fine at home. Stay safe and also hope that you are doing your work, that means your studies. So today let us start our first chapter of SST, and the first chapter is Hello Universe. Students, before going to start our new chapter, I want to share one story with you, and that story is there in your book only. And the story is about a person, and the name of the person is Colonel Sharma. Colonel Sharma is the name of the person, and he was posted. That means the job or the work he used to do, that job was there in the border area. Border area, that means after that border another country or another state starts. So in the border area of Sikkim, I think most of you have heard the name of Sikkim. So in Sikkim border he was posted, and his family came to visit him during the summer vacation. So we also get summer vacation, you also get. So during the summer vacation, Colonel Sharma's family, that means his wife, his son, his daughter, so they also went to visit his place or to visit him. They went there, and one evening after taking dinner, that means in the night time after taking dinner, all of them were sitting outside, that means in the garden they were sitting and admiring the beautiful night sky. We also are very happy when we see that yes, in the night sky many stars are there, then moon is also there. So they were also sitting and they were just seeing the night sky. And suddenly Ananya, that means the daughter of Colonel Sharma, suddenly she saw a shooting star. Shooting star, that means when we see in the night sky some stars are going, that is the shooting star we see sometimes. So she also saw this shooting star and it looked so beautiful. Sometimes we also see in the night sky that yes, some shooting stars are going from one place to another place. So Ananya also saw this, and Ananya asked her father. So she asked her father, Colonel Sharma, that Papa, are there only stars and the moon in the universe? Universe, that means where we are, stars are there, so many things are there in the universe, and universe is you cannot tell what things are there, means many things are there in the universe and we cannot count the numbers of stars and planets, and many other things are there, rocks, dust, many things are there in the universe. So she is asking that whether only stars and moon is there in the universe. Colonel Sharma told his children, that means his son is also there, so he told his children about the galaxies, then planets also, stars also, and many things, constellation. So these things, I think these words are new for you, this constellation, then planets. So let us start our new chapter, that is hello universe. So here we will find about our universe, about our galaxy, what is galaxy. So students, every day we observe sun, we see the sun, we feel the hotness of the sun, and the solar system. What is solar system? So that also we will discuss now, the sun and the solar system. So the vast universe, just as I told you just now, that universe is, it is very vast. We cannot see the whole universe, and it has many galaxies. Now what is galaxies? Galaxy means what? Where stars, rocks, dust, planets, sun, everything is there in the galaxy. So there are many galaxies in the universe, and we also, that means our earth, our planet, this earth is also belongs to a galaxy, and the name of that galaxy is Milky Way galaxy. So the name of the galaxy is Milky Way galaxy. We belong to Milky Way galaxy, and there are millions of stars. That means uncountable. We cannot finish counting. So millions of stars are there in that galaxy, that means in Milky Way galaxy, and sun is one of them. That means sun is also a star. Is it clear? Sun is also a star. Okay. Now the sun and its family. So sun has a family like us. We have brother, sister, mother, father, grandfather, grandmother. So sun also has its own family, and in that family who is there? We find there are 8 planets. So 8 planets are there, and sun is the head of that family. That means sun and its family, 8 planets. It is called the solar system. Clear? The 8 planets in our solar system. These are in your book you can see one picture is also given, page number 3. In page number 3 you can see here the just closest to the sun, it is called Mercury. Mercury, first planet. Then the second planet is Venus. Third planet is Earth. Then Mars. Then Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So these are the 8 planets which with sun it makes our solar system. Clear? Now let us come to know about the sun. What is sun? We know that when the sun rises in the morning and during the day, it becomes very hot, and we get the hotness, that means the warmth of the sun, and with that we get the light also. Yes, correct. So we get light also, and with that light and the heat we get the energy. So every living being, not only humans, not only we, animals, birds, many, all the living things, those who can work, those who can run, those who can work, so we also get energy from the sun. And sun is a huge ball that we in the morning time, if we see sun, it is a huge ball, big ball, and it is consists of hot gases. So in the sun we find hot gases are there. Because of that we get the heat and light of the sun. It is also the only source of light. So without the sun, if the sun is not there in the solar system, that means our earth and the other planets also become dark, fully dark. So we get the light from the sun only. The energy we get from the sun, the energy what we get from the sun, it is called the solar energy. This energy is called solar energy. If we see the picture in your book, you will find that sun is at the middle or at the center. Sun is at the center and the other planets, all the planets are revolving, that means moving around the sun. The sun is at the middle, as the center, and all the planets revolve around. That means all the planets, they revolve around the sun. As I told you that the sun is also a star. So it is a star, but sometimes we think that if it is star, then it should be very small. But why it is very big? A huge ball. Why it looks like that? It is because the sun is closer to us. Correct? And the other stars are very far from us. That is why they look very small. Are you getting? Because the other stars are very far from us and sun is close to us, that is why the sun is looking very big. And the Sirius, which is 20 times brighter than the sun. So one star which is Sirius, which is more brighter than the sun, but because of the distance we cannot get the light of that Sirius. So it looks also smaller because it is much, or it is far away from the earth. That means where we are living. From here it is very far. That is why it looks very small. Is it clear? The sun and the solar system. So let us conclude here now, and in our next class we will discuss more about this chapter. So for this, for today, we will conclude here. Thank you.